Hey everyone, one of my swarms, one of my hives swarmed today. Came out to check the bee yard and just walked around looking at my peach trees, and I see a big old ball of bees in the tree. So I thought I'd make a quick video. I already gave them a good shake, get them to, hopefully I knocked the queen down in there. Anyway, we'll see. I'm gonna give it some time here and see if they go ahead and march in. As you can see, this is a good sized swarm. I did not realize that I had a hive that was on the verge of swarming, but you know, it happens. And I gave them a good shake, like I said, and looks like they might decide to go down in there. I have 2 frames in there with old comb on it, and 3 frames that are new in this nuke box. See if we can get them to go in there, and there'll be another hive sitting out here in the backyard. Pretty cool. You can see the rest of my hives are just over that way beyond the apple tree there. So one of them threw off a swarm and they came right over here to this peach tree. Hoping to get some of these peaches here soon and be able to enjoy them. Some of those look pretty good. If you can see, I think they are marching in. Pretty cool. Just a quick video showing how it goes. When you have bees, you just never know when your hives get big. You never know when they'll swarm, no matter how much you try to keep an eye on them. Alright, you can see most of them are going in. I think we have the queen in there. If not, they'd be trying to work their way back up on the tree here. Pretty sure when I knocked that big old ball of bees off there, the queen fell with them. She's probably down in there trying to figure out where to start laying eggs right now. Pretty cool. I had to get my smoker out too. What I did is hit that branch with some smoke, hopefully cover up any the queen's pheromones that she's put on there. Knock that out so the bees will stop wanting to go up there. Hopefully get them in this box before I'm out of light here. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing this swarm get put in this box here. Tell your friends, if you know anybody who's interested in bees, ask them to take a look at my videos. If I know people are enjoying seeing these, you know, it'll keep me motivated here, and it'll let me know that somebody's learning something and or enjoying watching me work the bees. I think we've caught them successfully. Time will tell, but I think there's a good chance they'll stay here and build up. And we'll have another hive for next year. Hopefully make some honey for us. You know, bees are a good thing. Help pollinate our peach trees here. Some of those peaches need to be pulled down because they're not kind of spoiled on there, but bees are good for our food source. Without them, we would be in trouble, because they pollinate everything. Not just honeybees, but all varieties of bees. Thanks for watching.